Just be okay with losing.
Good tips there, Carly. Thank you.
Here's a look right now outside at the beach. The wave action has really picked up. So the last couple of days I showed you fairly flat waves, beautiful water clarity. We had blue water. It's still kind of that turquoisey green color, but because our waves are bigger, it's mixing up more of that sand. So it's getting a little bit of a browner clarity to it. But overall, still beautiful conditions. High tide is going to be coming up tomorrow morning at 5:12 a.m. So that's something we will be watching for beach to bay. But overall, it will be warm, it will be humid the rest of the evening and then into tomorrow morning. So something else I do want to point out, you saw the wave action there. We do have a small craft advisory at least through Saturday at 7 a.m. I expect that to get continued tomorrow because, well, we've got more wind, more high wind and more high wave action. Expecting those waves to be about 3, 4, 5 feet at times during the day tomorrow with those gusty winds. So at the beach, 20-mile-per-hour gusts in the morning. By the time we get to the bay in the afternoon, we're talking 35-mile-per-hour gusts. High temperatures will be in the 90s at the beach. We'll kick things off in the upper 70s, which is a very warm start at the beach. And yeah, it's going to be a great day. Wind blowing in the direction that pushes many runners along the course, especially that last part of leg 6 down Ocean Drive by Cole Park. That's going to be a great wind boost there to help get those last leg runners who are doing it in the most extreme heat of the run. Really big props to you. Hope you're hydrating very well this evening because the best hydration is always a couple of days to the night before. That's when you're getting your best hydration for race day. We'll have temperature around 87 there into the afternoon. Again, the high peaking around 90. Lows across the area, 70s. It's going to be very humid and muggy with cloud coverage in place. This is showing a chance of a spotty shower. I don't think we have that on Saturday, really, or Sunday. Sunshine does break through into the afternoon. Also, remember, we were talking sunscreen. Even with clouds, you can get a sunburn. So don't let, if there's clouds at the start of your leg, there may not be clouds at the end of your leg. And even if there are clouds, you can still easily sunburn. Here's a look at that futurecast heading into Sunday morning. Still looking like temperatures, they should be cooler than that in the 70s. By Sunday afternoon, again, a very low chance of a spotty shower, but it's going to be later in the week. We're tracking a chance of rain, well, really more into next week. We're talking Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We start to enter that unsettled pattern. Conditional rain chances are returning. So this weekend, it's the wind and humidity. It's isolated rain chances Sunday and Monday. Storm chances possible Tuesday night. And then we stay with a chance of storms. So I showed you this earlier. This is emphasizing that our weather pattern is changing to a wetter pattern. And you're going to notice more storm energy just kind of moving through the coastal bend. So that gives us an off and on chance of rain daily into the next week ahead of us. You'll see a chance Sunday with some storms coming out of Mexico. Those likely won't make it very far away from the dry line. A lot of the storm action stays to our north, but it's, again, Tuesday night we could see a line of storms moving in pending how close that cold front gets to us. You'll see the moisture really starting to come up into Sunday, but we have higher moisture as we get into that Tuesday night and Wednesday time frame when those storms could move through. Here's a look at your rainfall forecast. We're talking an inch of rain possible, better opportunity of rainfall to our north, but that does include our watershed. One guarantee, though, is it's going to be humid all week long. We are looking at that humidity staying in the steamy level or right there at the steamy level, which is going to be very humid. Best chance of storms does look to come Tuesday night into Wednesday morning at this time.
Okay, high humidity, steamy. It's that time of year where these kind of just become